Good morning guys, in front of me is Infinix HOT 40 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message. Then tap on a new one so you can see the current keyboard. As you can see, I do have two in my keyboard right now, two languages, which is Filipino and US. You can switch between them smoothly by using this word icon. But if you want to set some brand new language, tap on settings icon, click on languages, tap on plus, and choose the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or tap on search button, and in search area, enter the language that you want to apply as your keyboard language. Click on done, and now you can either stay with all languages, so you'll be able to switch them as we did it previously, or you can remove unnecessary languages. Tap on bin icon, then go back, and as you can see, there is just one language only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.